Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock on your XMax. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. You will see the dashboard light up. Then, locate the select button on your dash. Press and hold this select button for about 3 seconds. The hour digits on your clock display will then begin to flash, indicating you are in setting mode. This is your cue to proceed to the next step. Now that the hour digits are flashing, you can adjust them. Use the reset button, typically found next to select, to change the hour. Each brief press of reset will increase the hour by 1. Continue pressing until you reach the correct hour. Make sure to choose your desired AM or PM setting if your clock is in the 12-hour format. This ensures your time is perfectly accurate. After setting the hour, press the select button one more time. You will notice the minute digits on the display start to flash. This indicates they are now ready for your adjustment. Just as you did with the hours, use the reset button. Each press will increment the minutes by 1. Cycle through until you reach the exact minute. Taking your time here will ensure precision. With both your hours and minutes precisely set, it is time to save. Press the select button one final time. The flashing digits will stop, and your newly set time will appear steadily on the display. This confirms that your clock settings have been saved successfully. You can now turn off your ignition or start your engine with your clock showing the correct time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.